Okay, so welcome. Today we are going to learn English very first poem, that is All the World's a Stage, which is there on your page number.
Page number 3.
Yeah, thank you. Which is there on your page number 3. Where's not 3? Where's the mind without fear? No. One sec. 23. Page number 20, 23 and 24. I purposely took this one just because with some of the kids I have already completed where the mind is without fear. Soon I will redo with that one also. So now for this, that is 1.4, all the world stage. There are some exercise which is there in your textbook where you can go through it. For example, let's have a very quick the seven wonders of the world, seven continents, seven colors of the rainbow, seven notes of the music, seven seas of the world. Who knows all these answers? Life is often so. In the first pair, we have seen we had got all seven. For example, seven worlds of the world. Then seven continents we have seen. Seven colors we have seen. And music notes we have seen. So there are almost all these things are in seven stages. One stage, second stage, and seven stages. All the things were in seven only. We can't remove one of them and can say five ocean hai in the world or five notes are there on the music. No, there are seven, and this was the seventh day. Now, life is often compared to many things. Write down seven. Now, compare word means you have to make it in a simile. You just need to direct compare your life. For example, one is given for you. Life is a keyboard because if you press the right key, you have typed a good destiny. Are you getting? So, try to think one more where you're comparing your life. For example, in standard 8, the textbook, life is a gift. Enjoy every moment and cherish your life. So life is like a gift. So I'm comparing. So tell me who can make it.
Life is a river always flowing.
Life is like a river which continues to flow.
Life is a puzzle. We cannot understand certain things that happen. We have to find the answer.
Okay, life is like a person. Okay, life is like a puzzle. We need to find.
Ma'am, life is a game played well.
Or you
Life is a
know it.
life is a challenge. Accept it.
Okay, life is like a challenge. Accepted में उसको हमको elaborate करना है because यहाँ दिया है comparison and we have to compare for it. The other rest
Okay.
you will
Life
do as a homework. Next, match the approximately age with the stage. Now this is like birth to 2 years. So small, just a bond from birth to 2 years we called as infancy. That is D. Okay, 3 years to 12 years
childhood.
childhood G. 13 years to 17 years
Teenage adolescence.
teenage adolescence. Then 18 years to about 44 years mid.
Adulthood. Adulthood.
44 now, that is adulthood. And then from 45 to 60 years, that will be your
Middle age.
middle age. Then 65 years up to 75 to 80 years, you will have senior citizen elderly person, that is E. And above 18 years, old age second childhood, B. Got everyone? कुंजन, इसका आंसर क्या है? 13 years to 17 years. A level. One level is completed, then the other level comes and the other no. So here is the comparison. Itself is given in the title. All the world is a stage. So this poem was written by William Shakespeare. The poet was also known as the England national poet and the Bard of Avon. I hope the screen is visible to everyone. Okay. And he was widely recognized as an English poet. He was well in writing of poems, playwrights. He was a good actor, dramatist. So he used to compose many, stories behind it. He used to write many script for the drama. Even nowadays, like after he has written many books, many have completed their, online ways to show off the telecast. So they have made many films looking at the book, which is known as Othello, Romeo Juliet, Hamlet. These are the script which the William Shakespeare used to write. And now, if you want to learn about it, there is a book he has written. We can go. There are dramas where he has composed it, where he has also acted, enacted. So you can go through this, famous work, and he has not only.
पेपर में टीचर से काय शिकवते ते मैम आवाज कट हो रही है.
हाँ. Hello, I'm audible now.
Yes.
Okay. So, so in the poem, All the World's a Stage was written. It's not written in just one format. This poem was taken in from the one of the book was known as here it is not written, so I'm not mentioned, from one of the book in the life of yet something, and from there this one whole content was took out and was pasted in your textbook.
As you
Also,
like it.
repeat again. as
As you like it. As you like it.
as you like it, and from there it has taken out and has been posted in your textbook. This poem has given lots of values, morals, plus an understanding of things. For example, we'll start with the poem. All the world a stage. All the world's a stage, and all men and women merely players. They have their entrance and their exits, and one man in his life plays many parts, his acts being seven stages. So this is an intro of the poem, where the content of the poem has been described, that every person, individual person, comes in the world with an hopes and aims. Every individual have an aim, that when we will take a birth in the world, we have certain things to do it, and we will follow the 7 stages. As we have seen last, warming up the stages of infancy, adulthood, teenage, all the things, middle age. So one by one we have ended, and then lastly we have seen that the second childhood, when our parents or when our grandparents are being acting in such a way that they are like a small baby, that is a second childhood. So here also the first intro is given that every stages we learn, every stages we have a part to do it and to do something or the other. We just don't come here in the world, birth by your parents, and then you die. No, there are purpose behind us. There are stages where we have to go through. So in the poem, it has described it 7 stages, and each stages has been described in such a beautiful way, and even in such a way that we will truly think about ourselves that yes, we need to go all this thing, and we might have gone through some part, because now you are in the age of your teenage. So already you have completed your age by your infancy and childhood. So your both the age has been completed. Now you are in the teenage period. So you are experiencing the teenagehood. That what is teenage and what was a childhood. There is a lot difference between your childhood and your teenage. Your maturity level has been increased. Your likes and dislikes has been changed. Yes or no? Your opinion, your aim now has been differ from what was there before. So let's see the next one. At first, the infant kneeling and puking in the nurse's arm. This is a very first stage where Shakespeare has given, when a child when a child is born, it's has a, you know, a natural way. I have given you mewling and puking. Mewling is a baby soft cry. So when a baby comes out, it gives out a voice that here I am now in the world for being something or the other on this whole stage. So a child gives a voice by saying that here I am now, and I am going to live aloud of my life. So it is not only milking that a baby cries and go. No, it have a, it have an words that it says that I am alive. I took a birth. I just did not took for just crying. I'm here to say that I need to go every stages. I need to speak I need to experience every stages. I need to learn many stages. This is just my initial stage. Puking is the vomits, where he vomits out the wrong thing, what is there in the stomach, that the baby comes down and remove everything what is he or she has eaten during the, when he or she is in the womb. So when it has happened, the child comes, he vomit whatever he doesn't like it. Why? Because he said, now I'm getting day by day older. So I am now becoming 1 day old, second day old. So I'm learning many things. So I will just, when I'm come out, I give you a big cry. I show you what is my voice. What is my voice tone? So this is the first stage where Shakespeare has written. The first stage is a very cute stage, we say, very delicate stage, just a small life with the 2 years. Next one, and then the winning school boy with a satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail, unwillingly to go school. This is a second stage. Now, after 2 years, now childs are going to school. Now, school doesn't mean just an institution where you go and learn ABCD. No, it doesn't only mean this. It means that now the child is going to learn the values and morals. Now the child will learn how to overcome the fear, how to, you know, face off the crowd, how to speak in front of others. So the second stage, the word satchel means a bag in the lines. So here, and the winning school boy, it's just not only a boy, it's not one type gender. it is boy and girl both, with a satchel that is a bag full of the, you know, full of emptiness. So we are taking an empty bag and we are filling with our experience, knowledge, love, hate, even hate. It's not that all the time we got love from everything. So everything we are keeping, how we packed a bag with all books and stuff. The same way the small boy, the small child, now they are coming out of their world. They are going out to see what is. So they are, bringing many more things and keeping in their bag. They, whatever they are hearing from the teacher, whatever they are hearing from the parents, from the schoolmates, classmates, friends, individual, or they go from the roadside, whatever they're experiencing, everything is inside their head and they're putting everything in the bag. And then when they come, go at their home and they visit their someone, they just unpack the bag and reveal what they have seen, what they have done. And the shining morning face, creeping like skin. We know that we doesn't like, a child doesn't like to go to school unwillingly. Willingly might be some or the other, when the child loves to go school if the child environment suitable for it, him or her, or might be उसे कुछ चॉकलेट मिलती है या कुछ अच्छा लगता है तो, otherwise otherwise all the baby, even you or me myself, had been cried when we were a small 2 to 3 years, 4 years old. We doesn't like to go to school. Yes, Misbah. Okay. So second stage is like a small stage. After infancy, we creep. We creep like a snail. Creeping मतलब ऐसा धीरे 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 चलते हैं ना. So आलसीपना की तरह. Even mommy and daddy drag you to the school bus. Go to school. Go and learn. So creeping, not very enthusiastically, in a very crying way or in a very dull way, in a very sad sorrow, all it happening with us, and the baby think why we need to go to school, why we need to do homework. They just cry to write even ABCD or small letters. They don't like to hear what teacher is saying. They just want to beat this one or that one, or just sit and watch anything around. So it's like a creeping like a snail, a small stage, very slow stage, where lots of pamper is given to a child to grow up themselves. Okay. And then come the third stage, and then the lover, singing like a furnace, with a woeful ballad made to his mistress' eyebrow. Now here the third stage is you. You means yourself. See, as the post is given a very cheerful way. For example, and the lover doesn't means ki girlfriend or boyfriend. Oh, lover doesn't means just. But here it comes a stage where a person, where a child, when he is in a teenage, it fall of attraction, not only with the gender, opposite gender, but also with other kind. For example, that for example, it falls for the, just as example I'm giving you. Uh, and the third stage brings you an aim for your shoot, that this is my aim now. I have to target that thing only, either a girl, either a boy, or either my education. There's a level, and each individual go in that. For example, Ajay has a target, but he is not here present. Ajay has a target, but even though have a target, even he has a partner, best friend, and which he or she is like a soulmate nowadays. Classmates से soulmate बन जाती है या बन जाता है. Why it happens? Because the teenage, this age, the third age is likely like you have a choice. You will like the more bad things rather than liking good things, because the second and first stage you've done what the other used to say, but the third stage you will do what you want to say. So here the Shakespeare saying, shine like a furnace. Furnace is the, it's like in hot heat. So you come out like in heat. You just blow up your heat outside the world and you show. And with a woeful ballad. Woeful ballad, yani woeful is a sorrow, distress, and ballad is a poem. So it's a woeful ballad made to his mistress eyebrow. Mistress eyebrow is like inner love. For example, um, human being plays a very important role. Growing up ourselves, maturing our level, and giving out a best and worst part. Worst also and best also. It's not like that every individual show a good quality, good part of their life. No, third stage may distract many of them and can be show the bad part also. Let's move to the next stage. Fourth stage. Then a soldier, full of strange oaths, and bearded like the pard, jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel, seeking the bubble reputation even in the cannon's mouth. Now here it doesn't mean send a soldier that after you go through the third age and you become a soldier. No, I am a soldier because I already crossed my teenage. I already crossed my third age. I am in fourth age. Now what is my fourth age? Now you will, for example, when I was saying about my third age, you will say that teacher no aisa vaisa. But I have gone through the third age. I've experienced what you are experiencing. But now fourth age, I am a soldier. It doesn't matter for me कि थर्ड एज में मैंने जो किया है whatever I've done in my 10th 11th standard or 9th standard. I've harassed the teacher, I made my friends mates, I've punished whatever I've done. This now at this my period I will not do because I'm a soldier. I'm brave enough. I'm full of oaths that I want to be this and that in my life because I've decided what to do. A bearded like a pard. Pard is a short of the leopard. Leopard is a piercing animal. He is such a personality, full of personality one, and full of he's like a strong leopard is like a strong with lots of courage. And full of now is my stage is a fourth stage, like I have to think twice. For example, if I want to go out and enjoy my life with no, I don't want to take any responsibility because I just want to be myself. But it cannot be. One day I can do it, second day I may think to do, but I cannot do at the third day, because I have a I have a responsibility because I've taken oath to be something. If I want to be a teacher, I have to teach. I can't say I am a teacher, but I don't want to teach. I just want to have music, dance, and here and just this thing. No, my profession, my responsibility is not giving me chance, not giving me place to show up my hidden talent and or this not so talent. But it's like I have an oath. I'm a leopard and I'm strong enough to take courage. And then jealous in honor, sudden and quick in quarrel. Quarrel doesn't mean all that I'm fighting. Here it means we have an honor. We have, like I said, I have a respect. If I being a teacher and if I visit bar and bar every year and there and I come and drunk and say, okay students, let's have a study. It is not possible. It is not so good because when you are something, when you select your personality reflects the society. And when the personality reflects the society also reflects the same way at you. If you give respect, you take respect. If you show yourself, the personality will listen to you. So, like, I have an honor of mine. I'm very good in now quick and quarrel because I know what to speak and what not to speak, and whom and whom should not. Like, I know if PM will come, I will not say, or Modi ji kaise ho. I know I have to respect that person because he is the PM of our country. And then I can't say, okay, whatever he is, what should I do? I have nothing to do with if he is a PM or CM or GM. No. I have learned. I have gone through my third stage where I've enjoyed everything. Now it's my full of honorable stage. I have to show myself. Seeking the bubbles reputation. Again, I'm like, आज रिस्पेक्ट मिल गई तो कल नहीं चाहिए? नहीं, कल भी चाहिए. कल मिल गई तो परसों नहीं चाहिए? चाहिए. It's like repeatedly I need a respect. I need an honors. And I need an honor not from this small child. दीदी दीदी कैसे हो? And I'll say हाँ मुझे दीदी बोला मैं बड़ी हो गई. No, I accept my respect from much more younger, elder than me. I asked for the supervisor. I asked from the vice principal or principal. I am giving you my example. I need not only from the students when they say teacher. That doesn't mean I get the respect. I want the same respect from the upper position level also, because now I'm in the fourth stage. I am a soldier. I have learned now everything. So the canon marks here is say, I have a heart that I have a courage where I can put myself in such a place that I know when this bomb will burst, it will give me a very devastated area where I have to land myself. So like what I'm saying, I want the respect from my upper position, from my principal, vice principal. Yes, true, I need it. Because now I'm in the first stage. I don't want only a child should say teacher and that's enough for me. कि हाँ मुझे respect मिल गई, that's enough. No, I even want from there because I'm in the fourth, the middle stage, where I can lead the stages. I can lead the stages what happened back, and I can lead the stages what will be going to be. Are you getting it? So the next stage. Need to do. We are like a leopard where we have an a strong courage, strength to face the society, to face the world, to upcome all the odds, to upcome all the challenges. Then no challenges is like okay, challenge aa raha hai na, responsibility hai wo. Let take it. It's fine. This is the way. We don't run behind. We run behind taking oaths. We run behind taking honor. We run in jealous that she is going to be a high post. He is being too much. So it's like this. And we have a quarrel. Quarrel means we have a words. We have an experience to share now. So when it happens, like for example, my stage girl is with me and she will say so and so. Let's not take if I and Miss Bai is talking to each other and Miss Bai saying, I have much more experience in teaching, I took small students, kids, tuitions and everything. And I'll say, Miss Bai, I have much more maturity level. Plus, I have much experience. I have done this course. I have learned everything. So she will say, no, no, I am in better. But look, the fourth stage is not allowing. Fourth stage is not allowing me to see that the down third stage is challenging me. The fourth stage is not allowing me. I want my honor. I am in jealous of this Misbah. Why? Because she is in third stage and with no experience, she's talking to me where I am in my fourth stage. So I should talk that I have an experience. You shut up. I am having lot because I know how to quarrel. I know how to speak to you, Misbah, because I am master in this. I have gone through third stage. You did not come to the fourth stage and now you're talking to me. So here I am seeking my bubble reputation. Like again and again, I'm dragging myself. I don't want to lean down with any of the stage. I want myself to go one or the other above.
मैम आपका आवाज फिर से नहीं आ रहा है.
Who's that, Kunjal? And we'll move to the fifth stage. Now this stage is where, and then the justice in fair round belly with good capon lines, with eyes, serve and beard of formal cut, full of wise, serves and modern instances, and so he play his part. Now here the meaning of capon I take to take something means to take careless habits, कोई भी habits को अपने ऊपर ये करना. Now this stage is like even the further stage. For example, ये कौन सा stage थी हमारे इसमें? Is the age between middle age. After the for teenage adult, like it's now middle age. So middle age person have an a quality of being. For example, if I take our father, they are in middle age. Your fathers, they are middle age. If your father will not say, I want to put my hair such big and want to make pony or make a t-shirt and then shorts and then funky shoes I have to wear and then I will go and so and so. No, they won't say this unless if they have a passion, but they won't say it. Why? Because we are in the fifth stage where a justice is required for ourselves. A justice is required to show to the society where we know हमें अब maturity level अब दिखानी है, so दिखानी है. Where a person have a cut, this is a formal cut and beard and eyes, you can see this is a justice, like law order, like all the decision will be taken by your father. Why? Because he has already crossed the third stage, fourth stage, and now he is in fifth stage where he know what he has experienced in fourth stage being as a soldier. Now in the fifth stage, the society will demand more, and he has to give the justice. If, for example, if your father say, uh, to, for example, I have a sister, she's younger, and if my father say, I will not treat you better, I will treat the other one because she is young now and you are now elder. So it will become difficult कि छोटे बहन को ज़्यादा प्यार और बड़ी बहन को कम प्यार हो रहा है डैडी की तरफ से. So what we expect from our father, what we expect from our parents to treat us equally. We expect. Why we expect? Because they are in their fifth stage. They are in that stage. They know how to show up themselves. They have a wise saw. Saw means saying. They will say in such a way कि इसको भी बुरा ना लगे, उसको भी बुरा ना लगे. नहीं, छोटी बहन है, उस पास दिमाग कम है, तो बड़ी है, तेरे पास दिमाग ज्यादा है. मस्का बटर लगाते ना. So this way, why the father say you in this way? Because a child, a छोटी बहन हो या बड़ी बहन हो, difference है adulthood का, childhood का, teenage, everything there is a difference. So ऐसा हम expect करते हैं, where we expect कि हमें बटर मस्का अच्छा वाला लगे, न्यूट्रेला का लगे या अमूल का लगे, और उस पर चीज हमारी लाइफ में अच्छे से स्प्रेड हो, just because we expect in the fifth stage from our parents not to say injustice to us, not to speak anything false against our friends, relatives. And if mommy daddy कुछ relatives के सामने हमारी बुराई कर दिए, so we say पापा ऐसा क्यों किए, मम्मा ऐसा क्यों किए? Why? Because we want them. We will not say a small kid, small child, small brother and sister कि why did you say it in front of so and so. If they say also, we say बच्चा है बोल दिया, nothing matter. But parents बोलते तो matters ना, when parents come and talk and say and complain. For example, if any one of your parents come in our class and then say पढ़ता नहीं है, पढ़ती नहीं है, बैठती नहीं है, बैठता नहीं है, and then you feel so shame, you feel shy. You will say मम्मा सबके सामने बोल रहे हैं, दो टीचर खड़े हैं, दोनों टीचर को बोल दिए. You will say एक टीचर के सामने तो मैं अच्छे से पढ़ती हूँ, हाँ दूसरे टीचर के सामने नहीं पढ़ती थी, पर इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं फर्स्ट टीचर के सामने मेरी इंसल्ट हो जाना चाहिए. फील होता है, यस और नो? यार एक टीचर के सामने तो पढ़ रही थी ना, वो टीचर भी वैसे ही सोचेगी मेरे बारे में. Because you are in your third stage, you have the heat up quality, and then your parents will unnecessary will say anything too, because they have like they will take a justice. So we expect from our parents, because the third stage is that the society expect that ये इंसान कुछ बेवकूफ़ी नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर ये इंसान फिफ्थ स्टेज का चाइल्ड रोड पे फिलहाल के लिए निकला तो गलत है, बिकॉज a society is saying that please be matured enough, you are not allowed to be out of the house because of this pandemic disease. But if this fifth stage person go out and dance and come again, is it right? No. So the doubting, the question will come to this stage, why this man is doing. Why? What's the matter? फिर उसे हम एक क्वेश्चन मार्क दे देंगे that he is unstable. So here with eyes, serves and beards a formal cut, where he has a formal cut मतलब जो दाढ़ियों को कट मिलता है वो, but दाढ़ियों को कट कब मिलता है? Father decide now if they want a beard or they don't want a beard. So they want a hair long or they don't want a hair short. So it's like now a stage. Now your mother will not say कि मैं एक French cut काट लूँ बाल को and then I will wear a frock and then I will go out of the house and I will say this is my fifth stage. No, absolutely no. Not allowed. Whatever she want to wish or he want to wish was already done in the previous stage. Fifth stage absolutely not allowed. Even if they go, even if they do, we will say मम्मा डैडी आप घर में रहो, मेरे फ्रेंड्स क्या सोचेंगे, बाजू वाले क्या सोचेंगे. पहले तो मम्मी लोग ही सोचेंगे बाजू वाले क्या सोचेंगे अगर डैडी फंकी शूज पहन के चले गए, सैंडो एंड लाइक समथिंग like a teenage boy. It's like no, don't go out. It's like what is going on. It's like you are unstable with your mind. So this is what a fifth stage wants in us. This is what we see, the eyes. We play now as he plays his part. So we are playing this responsibility part because we already took the responsibility. Oath, we are crossed the fourth stage. Now we are in the middle where we are like in that stage where we have to take care to the other level and to the next level, to the down lower level, whatever happened in the lower level. So we have experienced that all. Now we want to reach the more step further in our life. So taking all these experiences, dragging ourselves towards us. So this is what a fifth stage teaches us. Then come the sixth stage. Sixth stage. The sixth age shifts into the lean and sleeper pantaloons with spectacles on nose and pouch or sides. His youthful horse, we have saved a world to wide. For his strong strength and his big manly voice, turning again to a childish treble, pipes and whistle in his sounds. You know, now the sixth stage where our grandparents have a quality. अभी हम लोग को दादा दादी नाना नानी की क्वालिटी पता होती है कि वो ऐसा करेंगे वैसा करेंगे, उनसे मालिश करवाओ, उनसे ये लड्डू बनवाओ या ये खाना बनवाओ, उनसे कुछ ऐसा काम करवाओ जो मतलब एक क्यूट सा लगता है, एक हैपनिंग सा लगता है, फेवरेबल लगता है. What we don't, and then you go and speak anything to dada dadi, nana nani. So a love and connection towards that tribe, and उनसे एक डिसीजन लेना होता है, पूछना होता है, एंड देन यू सिट एंड आस्क आपके चाइल्डहुड में क्या हुआ था, आपके इसमें क्या होता है, एंड देन दे कम एंड से, एंड दे इन दिस स्टेज, द सिक्स्थ स्टेज वेयर a person stop doesn't mean we stop forever. He stops taking responsibility. He gives out everything and he takes his own life now because like it's a lean and slipper pantaloons, मतलब एक एकदम से odd suits में आ जाते हैं दादा दादी, एकदम ढीले ढीले कपड़े में आ जाते हैं, मैनरलेस उनके कपड़े कभी कभार हो जाते हैं, and they don't have that much strength in their body to take up all the activities in the houses. So एक ऐसा stage आता है, and with spectacles and nose, the organs start, uh, working, in the sense like eyes will shrink and then you can't able to see properly. You require a big round spectacles around to support. And then the pouch on the side is like M pouch means a pouch. उनका हमेशा एक wallet होता है, and they keep money, and not only they keep money, they even keep some kind of cards, they even keep some kind of any kind of thing, कोई उनको देता है, and then किसी का number या कुछ. You see your दादा दादी के पास हमेशा एक बैग होता है, उसमें हमेशा लोग रखते हैं. Every dada dadis and nana nanis, even I took my from my dada dadi कि मैंने मेरे पास अब संभाल के रखा था कि मैं बूढ़ी हो जाऊँ तो मैं वो use करूँ. So it's like we used to see them, we watch now. We are in our third, fourth stage, but still we see them when they go in the sixth stage, and we consider क्यों this will happen with us also ना, हमें भी तो पाउच लगेगा, where हमें भी spectacles बड़े बड़े लग जाएंगे. And now if you wear spectacles, हम बुढ़ा हो गया, बुढ़ी हो गई, why we tease, why we say, because this is not required in third fourth stage, it is required in sixth stage. That's the reason we tease. And then his youthful hose is like close fitting covering for legs, just socks and all that, and then a kind of a sleeper जो उनकी एक टाइप ऑफ की ओल्ड स्लीपर्स होती है एंड शूज होते हैं, एंड देयर योर दादा दादी लव्स दैट वन बिकॉज वो सॉफ्ट होते हैं, वेयर दे सी कहाँ उनको सॉफ्टनेस मिलेगा, मीन्स वार्मनेस इन द क्लोथ्स, वार्मनेस इन द वेयर्स. इवन इफ यू नोटिस द स्पेक्टिकल्स व्हिच दे यूज्ड टू वेयर, उन लोग यहाँ पर भी कुछ धागा लगाएंगे या कुछ कॉटन रखते हैं या फिर कुछ टू कंफर्टेबल देमसेल्फ एज पर देयर डिमांड्स. ये सारा कोई लेंथ कार्ड नहीं उनको देता है, ये खुद ही करते हैं, खुद ही मेंटेन करते हैं, खुद ही बनाते हैं. इवन यू सी while they eating, they start eating less, they don't eat too much, they don't eat go and eat pani puri at this stage because they know the organs will not support. Now they have whatever they want to do, they have already covered their life. Whatever they want to give to the society, already the stage, the part has been given to the society first only. Now in this stage they will look and they shrank, their veins will come out, their muscles will be not so developed, they will lean, they will have a loud voice, manly voice. दादा दादी के voice कितने अलग हो जाते हैं ना, एकदम एक kind of उनके voice में अलग सा एक होता है, where even they shout or even they don't speak, ऐसा होता है. कोई कोई दादा दादी तो बहुत जोर से चिल्लाते हैं, कोई कोई तो एकदम स्लो वॉइस स्लो टोन में बोलते हैं, because they know कि अब हम बोलेंगे ज्यादा, then our this and that happens, turning again toward childish tremble pipes. And when we see दादा दादी के गोद में छोटे बेबी ज्यादा क्यों रहते हैं, it is not like that कि छोटे बेबीज को दादा दादी से पहले से प्यार होता है. It's like the comfort zone मिलता है उनको, उनको वो the touch of this grandfather grandmother to a small baby. It's like उन लोग दोनों एक ही इसमें लगते हैं ना, उन लोग को एक ही सॉफ्ट यू सी ग्रैंडफादर ग्रैंडमदर की स्किन सॉफ्ट हो जाती है जब वो लोग ये हो जाते हैं, हार्ड से सॉफ्ट में कन्वर्ट होती है, उनके जो मसल्स एकदम ढीले पड़ जाते हैं, हमें उनके साथ खेलना अच्छा लगता है, तो बेबीज को भी उनको पकड़ना अच्छा लगता है, उनको आवाज निकाले, उनकी उनके वॉइस, उनके फेस पे जो रिंकल्स आते हैं उन रिंकल्स को खेलना अच्छा लगता है, बेबीज को देखना अच्छा लगता है. So it's what the trembles, and then the whistle in the sound. In the sound means they are not good now to talk properly. Whenever they talk, they speak anything, तो एक whistles की sound आती है, whistles से सू 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 ऐसे करके कुछ भी voice, कुछ word उनको बोलना है, but वो बहुत fumble होता है. Why? Because उनके tooth, उनके जो teeth डेवलप जो थे वो खत्म होते जाते दिन पे दिन, उनके टंग ट्विस्ट होते हैं, and then they don't have so much strength, courage to speak up loudly or to say that मुझे ये word बोलना है. कोई कोई word, if you notice there are many things in this world where a person go from first stage to seventh stage, and हर जगह ये stage में we have seen that a man or a woman, it's like giving a part to the world every now and then, working as a part of the world, whether he is a child or whether he is in a middle or this age. And then the last stage says that the last scenes of all, that end with strange eventful history, a second childishness and merry oblivion. Sans teeth, sans eyes, sans taste, sans everything. Now here the last scene of all, as I said. The last scene is not the stage where now your grandfather, grandmother will come out in a bright colors. They will be like us in that scene where they are just sit where they think about their history, what has happened with them, what they have contributed towards the society in their life, what was their role, how much role did they play, where were they during all this thing. And this is like a second childish, where whatever we put into their mouth they will throw out, We tell them to walk, they cannot work until we give a support. So like a small baby, इसका 9 months old duration कैसा होता है कि उनको हाथ से हमें खिलाना पड़ता है and liquid form में. There's the last scenes of this also, हमें दादा दादी को liquid thing खिलानी पड़ती है. पिज्जा बर्गर नहीं खिला सकते, उनके डाइजेशन सिस्टम प्रॉपर नहीं काम करेंगे. They don't have too much of teeth now left. They can't able to see properly, उनको visibility कम हो जाती है. And then they can't even taste. समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस, उनको हम लोग कुछ भी खिला देते हैं जिसमें नमक कम होता है, मिर्ची नहीं होती है कम, एंड देन उसी को कुछ चावल बना दे या कुछ ऐसे कुछ भी लाइक नॉर्मली, एंड देन दे वी गिव इट बिकॉज उनका भी मोटिव होता है, दे वांट टू लीव दिस हिस्ट्री, they don't want to joy there. They are at this age, they know that they have contributed everything to the society. Now nothing is left. Just see, oblivion is a state of forgetting. So they forget everything. उनको अभी पूछो कौन आया था, उनको नहीं याद रहता है. उनको पूछो खाना खाया, उनको याद नहीं रहता खाना खाया. And we give anything, they, even in the second childhood, even if you give anything now, for example, my grandmother, uh, she used to like lollipop a lot nowadays. She was in the second childhood. So we can see now small babies और उनमें, and then childhood में उनको हम लोग भी babies की तरह उठा उठा के ऐसा करते थे. This is what, because nothing was left in her. So this is the last stage, the seventh stage, where the Shakespeare have been written in such a beautiful way. It has, you know, clearly described everything in this world of stage, where every individual go through these one or the other stage and complete his or her full-on ages. So this is what Shakespeare want to reveal by saying that whether you are in your first or whether you are in your last stage, you are giving much more to the society. You are living much more of your part. So Shakespeare doesn't only means कि वो हर stages में हमारी सिर्फ और सिर्फ life के बारे में बता रहे, but comparison. This is the poem is belong to simile and imaginary concept. So similarly और imaginary में इसलिए क्योंकि बहुत से सीन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सांस थी, सांस आई, दिस इज एन इमेजिनेशन ही, इमेजिनरी है कि इमेजिनरी थिंग दिखाती है कि हम इमेजिन करते हैं अब ये हो गया है. सो द पोएम पोएटिक डिवाइस इज दैट देयर आर लेस अमाउंट ऑफ rhyming words and rhyming scheme, more of simile and personification, thus imaginary figure of speech. And let's see now what is more.